So you probably heard, and if you didn't, that's a good opportunity to learn about it, that Michael Burry, the guy from The Big Short and just insanely smart, he just put up 500 million against Tesla. Now, I want to give you some context about what's really going on here beyond the FUD from both sides. Of course, you're going to have the Tesla haters saying, well, Michael Burry is betting against Tesla. That means Tesla is garbage. And on the other side, you're going to have all the Tesla crowd basically saying, well, Michael Burry is public enemy number one. Neither side will be right, because I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on here. Because, in this channel, I like to give you the real story, not the populistic crap from both sides. Not what sells newspapers, but rather what actually is the facts. So here's the story. Michael Burry runs a firm called Scion Asset Management. Now, in that firm, he has to file Form 13F. Now, he just filed yesterday, or rather tonight, the 13F for Scion Asset Management, which tells us what he did in the first quarter of this year, which is already over. Now, in that form, we saw that Scion put up 500 million, which is 40% of the entire fund, on a put against Tesla. A put is a distant cousin, I guess, of a short, because a put option actually obligates somebody to buy Tesla stock from you at a certain price, rather than a call option, which gives you the opportunity to buy. So essentially, a put option is something you purchase when you're betting against a company. It's very similar to shorting a company. However, and here's the stick here, because Tesla shorts lost $40 billion in 2020. They got shellacked. And also, we know for a fact that Michael Burry is a very smart dude. So what the hell is going on here? Why is Michael Burry betting against Tesla? Well, he is not betting against Tesla, not really. He is the kind of guy who knows how to read the market, the macroeconomics. That's how he made his money. Now, let's eliminate all the FUD and emotions out of it. Now, check this out. He made a bet in the first quarter, when the Tesla shares were at $900, that inflation fears will hammer future tech stocks down and will help current cash flow positive cash flows. So he also bought call options on Facebook and Google, which are currently cash flow positive mature companies. And he bought a put on a future profit company because he was betting that inflation fears will actually cause people to sell off tech, which is exactly what's been going on in the past few months. You've been seeing people sell future technological stocks like crazy. And you've seen Facebook and Google do well because they're currently cash flow positive. So it's kind of a macroeconomic effect. It has nothing to do with Tesla. Now, the thing is, Michael Burry probably made some money off this put. I don't know for a fact because I haven't seen the numbers, but he put up this put when the price was 900. It's under 600 right now. So I'm guessing he made a few shekels, but that does not necessarily mean that he was betting against Tesla in the long run, because that would not be that smart. And I don't think that's what he's doing. Now, in the short term, yes, inflation fears are driving Tesla price down. And for swing traders and day traders, not so pleasant. However, it is completely meaningless in the long term. Tesla will definitely be one of the biggest companies in the world. It's going to dominate this year with about 1 million vehicles, mark my words, and they're going to drive into energy. And we've been talking about the bull case. We don't have to repeat the bull case right here. I don't know if it's going to hit $3,000 like ARK is saying. I mean, that's a little bit aggressive, but I think it's easily a $1 trillion company, which means the share price should be around $1,500 by the end of next year. Now, I'm patient and I'm going to wait. I think most investors with Tesla have that patience and have that long horizon. So whenever you hear people from both sides saying, well, Michael Burry is the public enemy, or Michael Burry is stupid, or Michael Burry thinks that Tesla is trash, neither is true. Michael Burry made a bet on a certain trend in the market. And he was, once again, right. That has nothing to do with Tesla. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Shout out to the channel members. Shout out to the patrons. I'm going to see you tomorrow after I get some sleep. Have a good night.